Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's see the problem number 620, that is not boring movies. Let's see what is the problem statement. Here the table name is cinema and it has the column ID, movie, description and rating, and their respective data types are int, varchar and float. So ID is the primary key column, the column with unique values in it, that means the primary key, and each column contains the information about the movie and its rating also. Rating is the decimal places. Okay. So now let's see what is the problem statement. And the problem statement is write a solution to report the movie with an odd numbered ID. Okay. First thing. And description that is not boring. Okay. And return the result table ordered by ratings in descending order. So this is the problem statement. Let's see. This is the example. You can see the movie war, science and etc are all those movies, and these are their IDs. So first thing is we have to filter them with the help of odd IDs. So odd IDs we have to do. So 5 and 1, you can see these are the odd IDs. Then the second thing we have to do is we have to remove the movie which contains boring. So you can see the odd ID 3 contains the boring as a description, so we have to remove that as well. And the third thing we have to do is we have to order it in the descending order, so 5 and then 1. So let's write the solution for this problem. Okay, so uh, from our table, that is movies or cinema, now we have to do filter it, where the first condition is we have to filter all the movies who has ID, and that ID is equals to c dot id, and that id is equals to id is not equals to uh, so even number, or you can say id is not equals to odd number. So c dot id mod 2, c dot id mod 2, and this will return the either 0 or 1. Okay, and we have to capture this with only value having 1. So 1 is the odd number, right? And our second condition. So our second condition will be we have to remove the description as boring. So this is our description and it should not contain keyword boring. So let's see. We have to remove this thing. And then ultimately we have to order it. Order by ratings. We have to order this thing by rating. And we have to order this by descending. For that we can use the keyword descending. Select star. Let's try to run this code. And you can see all the test cases pass and this code is run successfully. So in this way we can solve this problem. This is an easy problem and I hope you don't have any problems to solve this. This is the very simple problem. So if you have any doubts regarding this problem, then feel free to ask the question in the comment section below. And this is all for this video. We will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.